Culinary School offers a comprehensive education in various aspects of the culinary arts, preparing students for careers in the food industry. Here are the key areas typically covered in culinary school programs. Number 1. Cooking techniques. Knife skills. Proper handling and usage of knives for different cutting techniques. Cooking methods. Learning various cooking methods like grilling, roasting, sautéing, braising, poaching, and more. Food safety and sanitation. Understanding food safety protocols, handling, and storage of food to prevent contamination. Number 2. Culinary fundamentals. Ingredient knowledge. Understanding different ingredients, their flavors, textures, and uses in cooking. Flavor profiles. Learning to balance and enhance flavors in dishes. Menu planning. Creating balanced and appealing menus considering taste, presentation, and nutritional aspects. Number 3. Baking and pastry. Baking techniques. Learning the science and art of baking, including bread making, cakes, and desserts. Pastry arts. Working with dough, creams, icings, and various pastry making techniques. Number 4. Kitchen management. Kitchen operations. Understanding how a professional kitchen operates, including organization, workflow, and teamwork. Inventory and cost control. Managing kitchen inventory, cost analysis, and budgeting. Leadership and communication. Developing skills to lead a kitchen team effectively. Number 5. Specialty cuisines. International cuisine. Exploring different cuisines from around the world and their unique cooking styles and ingredients. Regional and specialty foods. Studying specific regional cuisines and specialized food preparations. Number 6. Practical experience. Hands-on cooking. Practicing cooking techniques in a kitchen environment under the guidance of experienced chefs. Internships, externships. Often culinary programs offer opportunities to work in real restaurant kitchens or hospitality establishments to gain practical experience. Number 7. Food business and entrepreneurship. Restaurant management. Learning the basics of managing a restaurant, including front-of-house operations, customer service, and business administration. Culinary entrepreneurship. Understanding how to start and manage a food-related business. Number 8. Last but not least, professional development. Networking and professional etiquette. Building professional networks and understanding the importance of professional conduct in the culinary industry. Career guidance. Receiving guidance on career paths, job search strategies, and opportunities in the career field. Culinary school programs vary in length, depth, and focus, but they typically cover these fundamental areas to provide students with a well-rounded culinary education.